Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build DevOps pipelines with GitHub Actions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build DevOps pipelines with GitHub Actions, you first need to sign in to your GitHub account. Navigate to the repository where you want to create the pipeline. In the repository, find and click on the Actions tab located at the top. You'll see a list of workflow templates. For beginners, it's recommended to start with a simple template such as Node.js. Click on the Set up this workflow button next to the template. This will take you to the workflow editor. Here, you can see a default YAML configuration file. Review the existing code to understand its structure. You will find a section called On. This defines the events that will trigger the workflow. Common events include push and pull request. Next, focus on the Jobs section. This is where you define the steps that the pipeline will execute. In the example, you'll see a build job defined. You can customize this job to fit your project's requirements. Modify the runs online to specify the environment you want to use. To add your own steps, locate the Steps section within the job. You can start with a step that checks out your code using the Actions/checkout action. Add another step for installing dependencies if necessary. For example, if you're using Node.js, you might want to run npm install. Next, add a step to run your tests. This could be as simple as npm test. Once all the steps are defined, you can commit your changes. Click on the Start Commit button and write a commit message. After that, choose Commit directly to the main branch and click on the Commit Changes button. Your workflow is now set up and will run automatically based on the defined events. To see the pipeline in action, go back to the Actions tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.